Tonight at 5 o'clock, the attorneys for the suspect in the Delphi murders case want any confessions that he made suppressed.
That's the request just made weeks before Richard Allen goes on trial for the murders of two young teens, Abby Williams and Libby German. Our 13 Investigates senior reporter Bob Siegel has been looking over these new documents that were filed today in just the last hour.
And Bob joins us live from the newsroom tonight. Bob?
Allen's attorneys say they want any statements made by Allen while he's been in prison. Well, they say that those statements were not made voluntarily and came while Allen was mentally ill. And they say for those reasons, allowing a jury to hear those confessions would violate his constitutional rights. Allen has been kept at a maximum security state prison for nearly 18 months since his arrest. And in a new court filing, his attorneys say Allen has been accused of making incriminating statements to both inmates and guards while he was at the Wabash Correctional Facility between March and June of last year. They claim prison officials posted inmates at Allen's cell door and required the inmates to keep logs of all of his actions and statements and behaviors. And they say some of those inmates actively asked Allen questions. The defense team says that essentially amounts to a sustained form of interrogation, one that lasted more than 5 months, and they argue it's a violation of Allen's constitutional rights because he did not have an attorney present when he made any incriminating statements. They also say while in prison, Allen suffered from a mental health disorder made worse by being placed in isolation. They argue Allen slipped into a state of psychosis, including delusional and paranoid and highly dysfunctional behavior. So the defense team claims Allen's statements and alleged confessions were not given voluntarily, but instead as a result of him being overcome by living in an isolation cell while on suicide watch. And they say any confessions were therefore coerced and not admissible at trial. Now, that trial is set to begin in 1 month. The state is expected to use Allen's jailhouse statements against him. The defense team says the things Allen allegedly said don't match up with evidence from the crime scene and therefore show the confessions can't be true. They're asking the judge to suppress the statements altogether.